Hello and welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. It's summertime and that's when people like to go camping and barbecue and enjoy s'mores. But if you don't go camping and you don't have a barbecue, you don't have to miss out because today I am making fudgy, delicious, ooey gooey s'more brownies. The recipe I'm about to show you can easily be done with a box of brownie mix. However, we're making the brownies from scratch. So let's get started. You will need 4 ounces of unsweetened baking chocolate, 1 stick of butter, 2/3 a cup of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste, 1 cup of sugar, graham crackers, and of course, fluffy marshmallow cream. Generously butter an 8-inch square baking dish and set aside. Chop up the chocolate and place it in the insert of a double boiler. Do the same with your butter. Place your insert in a pan of simmering water, making sure the water does not touch the bottom of the insert. Stir constantly until the butter and chocolate melt. Remove from the heat and let cool to room temperature. In a small bowl, whisk your flour and baking soda together. Stir the eggs, one at a time, into the cooled butter and chocolate mixture. Add the vanilla and sugar. Combine thoroughly. Then stir in your flour mixture until completely incorporated. Add 1/2 of your brownie batter into the baking dish and spread evenly. Gently press in a single layer of graham crackers. Spread the remaining batter on top. Cool on a wire rack. Now that our brownies are completely cooled, comes the fun part. We're going to spread, oh boy, the fluffy marshmallow cream on top. So you could serve it just like this, but you do want that toasted marshmallow effect. So there's 2 ways you could do this. You can put this under the broiler for a matter of seconds and don't take your eyes off it, and that will toast the top. I'm going to torch it, mostly because I just like playing with the torch. I give you s'more brownies. To get the first one out of the pan is always a little tricky and a little sticky. So as you can see, There's the graham cracker, the chocolate, and the marshmallow. All right, here goes. That is so good. You're gonna lose your mind. Wow. The full recipe is down below in the description where I put all my recipes. You can always find them there. And speaking of down below, leave a comment. I'd love to know what you think. Give me a thumbs up and become a subscriber. I'd love to have you back here at home with Anita Rosner. Thanks for watching.